Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm making a no recipe recipe. What is that? I'm looking at anything that's available in my kitchen to make this dish today. I have a piece of chicken which I have flattened. I have seasoned it with a little salt and pepper. I have a frying pan on the stove that I am heating. What I'm going to do is make a very quick chicken parmesan. I'm going to saute the chicken. I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese and the raw bolognese sauce because that's what I have. So let's get to it. I have a frying pan here that can go from the stove to the oven. I'm going to put it on medium high. I'm heating avocado oil. And as you know, you never use a non-stick pan to preheat without something in it. Oil or water or something, but just not the pan itself. I'm preheating the oil in this non-stick pan. I have a chicken breast. I have flattened, a little salt and pepper, and I've allowed it to sit out for about 20 minutes. I will also be using real home style. You can use any sauce that you like. I choose this one because the sugar content is low. A half a cup serving is 6 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, and 4 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of protein. I'm also just going to be using some low moisture shredded mozzarella. So the water and the oil is popping. That means that my pan is ready. Using my tongs, I'm going to remove the chicken and place it in the frying pan. I'm going to allow that to sear on both sides, and then I'll get it ready for the oven. I have seared the chicken on both sides, and I'm just going to put a bit of sauce on my chicken cutlets. And then I'm going to put about a handful of mozzarella on it. And now I'm going to just place this in the oven on broil for a few minutes. It's been about 5 minutes on broil, and my no recipe chicken is ready to be served.